Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tail light bulb on your Chrysler Town and Country. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a T30 Torx bit and the correct replacement bulb for your specific model. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and quicker. You'll also want to locate the tail light assembly on the rear of your vehicle before you begin any disassembly. Now, open your vehicle's liftgate to gain access to the two mounting screws for the tail light. You'll typically find these are Torx T30 screws, so use your T30 bit to carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, the tail light assembly is still held in place by a couple of alignment pins. Gently pull the entire assembly straight out towards you to release it from these pins. Avoid pulling it to the side to prevent damage. With the tail light assembly free, you can now access the bulb sockets. To remove a socket, twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. Once the socket is out, carefully pull the old bulb directly from the socket. When inserting the new bulb, try to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's secure. After the new bulb is in place, reinsert the socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it. Now, carefully align the tail light assembly with the mounting holes and push it firmly back into place, ensuring the pins engage correctly. Reinstall the two Torx T30 screws and tighten them until snug. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Test both the running lights and the brake lights to ensure full functionality. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your tail light bulb. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description below for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other accessories to enhance your space. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.